2, 3.
Hold it. Is it working?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, this is just like a like brown dust. I can smell the cinnamon from here. Wow. That's some potent stuff. But where's she going? Shifu! Sucker! Oh crap! Okay. Does it taste any good? Does it taste any good, guys?
No, it burns.
It burns? Can't be that bad. Wait, how else do we do it?